Hello everyone, we are on our first chapter, the globe, and our today's topic is meridians. As we know, there are two types of line on the globe, latitudes and longitudes. In our previous chapter, we have studied about latitudes. Now we will study about longitudes. The vertical lines on the globe are known as longitudes. These vertical lines are semicircles that run from the North Pole to the South Pole. Now we will know about the features of meridians. These lines run from the North Pole to the South Pole. These lines are semicircles. These lines are equal in size. The distance between the two parallels decreases as we move towards the poles. These lines meet at poles. You can see the picture given for reference. There are 360 meridians in total. 180 meridians in the eastern hemisphere and 180 meridians in the western hemisphere. The numbering of meridians starts from the prime meridian. In the east, meridians are numbered as degree east. For example, 10 degree east, 20 degree east, 30 degree east, etc. And in the west, meridians are numbered as degree west. For example, 10 degree west, 20 degree west, 30 degree west, etc. 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line and it is called international date line. Dear students, in this video, we will study about prime meridian and anti-meridian. First, we will talk about prime meridian. Prime meridian is the line from which the numbering of meridians start. It is marked at 0 degree. Prime meridian is called the meridian of Greenwich also because it goes through a village called Greenwich in London. It is also called the prime meridian or meridian 0. Now we will talk about international dateline or anti-meridian. Anti-meridian lies to the opposite side of prime meridian. The longitudes 180 degree east and 180 degree west fall on this same line. It is called international dateline also. Now we are clear about international dateline and prime meridian. They lie opposite to each other on the globe or the earth. Now we will study about the grid. On the globe, the latitudes and longitudes cut each other to form a network. This network of lines is called a grid. Grid is used to locate places on Earth. The point where the latitudes and longitudes of any place cut each other is the correct location of that place. In the picture, you can see the location of Washington. Now, take an example of Delhi. If we have to locate Delhi at the map of India or the world, we must know its latitude and longitude. Delhi is located at 78.12 degree east meridian or longitude and 28.3 degree north latitude or parallel. On the map, where these two lines cut each other is the correct location of Delhi. We can find any place of the world with the help of these lines, that is latitude and longitude. Thank you for watching. I hope you are understood.